Be ranking Chicken Little characters to how good they are. Okay, first we're starting with this. Oh, what the heck is that? Ugh, this thing looks more dog. This thing looks more dog water than my dog's water bowl, dude. I swear. Okay, we got this person. This is one of the main characters. It's okay to me. And the moose guy that appears like 2 times in the movie. I don't like baseball. I don't like baseball coaches, so I'm just gonna put okay. And this idiot, I hate this guy. Actual dog water. Not as dog water as that thing. I have more dog water than my dog's water bowl, but it's just trash. And we got the main character, Chicken Little. Chicken Little. He's just a Chad, dude. He beat a professional baseball team without having long legs. He's ultimate Chad. And these guys are cute, so I'm just gonna put him in good. This guy looks like he's emo. I'm putting him in gray because he's emo. Wait, actually, add Roblo. Make it the emo tier. Yes. What is this picture? Okay, this is Chicken Little. Yeah, this is Chicken Little's dad. Okay. Better than that saying. Okay, next we got fish. I don't know how he's living. He has a big giant helmet on his head, and he's just a fish. Either this fish, like, does exercises all day, does push-ups and all that, then he's fine. But for now, I'm just gonna put him in Y. Oh. I'm just gonna put him in trash. And pig. Okay, pig. Pig guy, he goes in good. He good. This goes in the emo. But oh wait, yeah, this is one of the aliens. These are aliens. I don't like the cheeks, so I'm gonna put it in Y. Wait, what the? There's two? There's two? Oh wait, this must be his mom. Oh. I'm putting it, that's here. And this kid cheated in a dodgeball. He gets punished into the emo tier. And then pork. We all know you gotta put him right there. And sheep. Don't. He looks like a therapist. I think he is a therapist. Donkey. Donkey. Okay, donkey goes in. Okay. And the turkey. This guy's the mayor. He's the mayor of the town. I don't like him, so I'm putting him in Y. And that's my tier list of Chicken Little.